Seneca once said, "Associate with people who are likely to improve you. Welcome those whom you are capable of improving. Be careful who you spend your time with. The people around you shape your mindset, your habits, and even your destiny. So, who are you letting influence your life? It's not about judging others. It's about protecting your values. If you're surrounded by people who are careless, negative, or driven by ego, you'll start to drift in that direction, whether you notice it or not. But if you spend time with those who live with discipline, purpose, and wisdom, you'll be pulled toward becoming better every day. Choose company that challenges you, not just comforts you. The Stoics believed that our environment directly shapes our character. Seneca's quote isn't just ancient advice, it's a timeless warning. We become like the people we consistently spend time with. Think of it like this. If you're in a room full of people who gossip, complain, or chase superficial goals, it's only a matter of time before you start picking up those habits, often without realizing it. We absorb energy, mindsets, even language from the company we keep. That's why the Stoics emphasized surrounding yourself with those who live intentionally, people who challenge you to rise higher, think deeper, and act better. But it's not just about taking inspiration. It's also about giving it. Seneca tells us to welcome those whom you are capable of improving. In other words, be someone worth being around. Uplift others. Lead by example. Be the one who lives with virtue, discipline, and clarity. Look around. Who are you texting daily? Who's in your social feed? Who do you let speak into your life? Every connection either fuels your growth or drains it. So choose wisely. It's better to walk alone than with people heading in the wrong direction. Audit your circle. And don't just look for who inspires you. Be that person for someone else. If you found that helpful, then don't forget to subscribe. Stoic wisdom every day.